Hi everyone, this is Let's say Pullo. Today I am going to show you how to create an EC2 instance in AWS step by step in a simple and beginner friendly way. If you're starting with AWS or cloud computing, this is one of the most important fundamentals to understand. Before creating it, let's quickly understand what EC2 is. Amazon EC2 or Elastic Compute Cloud is a service that allows us to run virtual servers in the cloud. Instead of buying physical servers, we can launch, manage, scale, and terminate servers on demand and only pay for what we use. This is a core concept for DevOps Cloud engineering and system administration. Okay, so let's get started. At first, we have to log into our AWS Management Console, and then from the service menu, we can search EC2. Then we have to click the EC2. Then we have to come to the dashboard. Then we can see a button named Launch Instance. We have to click it. Okay, by clicking it, it will redirect us to the Launch an Instance page. At first, we have to name the instance. So I gave it AWS EC2 name. Okay, I named the instance AWS EC2, and from here I select Ubuntu. Okay. And then we have to select instance type. As my account is a free tier, so I have to select the free tier. So here I select a T3 micro. Okay. And then we have to create a key pair. So let's click the button, create new key pair. Then we have to name the key pair in key pair. Let's also name it AWS EC2. Then select the key pair type RSA and keep the private key format .pm and click the create key pair. By clicking it, it will download as the PM file. We have to store it because we will need it after when we will need to connect with our local computer. So I store the AWS EC2 in my download folder and click save. Okay. And then in network settings, we can keep it the settings like this, and configure storage, we keep it like this, or you can also, well, you can also set it like 10 20, but we keep the default storage setting. And then the number of instances we create just one instance, so we keep it one. So then just we have to create the launch instance button. It will take a few moments. Okay, we successfully initiate our instance. So at first click it. Now we have to connect it with our local computer. So click the connect button from here. Okay. So there are there are four ways to connect with our local computer. In this video, we will see how to connect with using SSH client. So at first, we have to open our Git page. So from here, I open my Git page and I have to locate my .pm key which I downloaded when create the new key pair. I stored in it my download folder. So I go to my download folder from CD downloads. Okay. In this folder, I have stored the key, and then here I have to run this command. So let's first copy the command and then paste it here. Okay. And then we have to copy this command also and then paste it here. Okay, this will ask us, are you sure you want to continue connecting? Yes, I am sure. Type yes, and it will connect the AWS machine in our local computer. We can see it. So let us check with some basic Linux command like pwd or who am I or ls. In this way, we can launch an instance in AWS and also connect with our local computer. And after that, after the use of our instance, we have to stop the instance as well. Okay, from here, you can also stop your running instance. So I can see that I have one instance running. So if I want to stop it, I have to click the action but I have to click the instance state button from here. And from here, I can see stop instance, reboot instance, or terminate. So now I want to stop the instance. So click the stop instance button. Stop. It will stop the instance. And I also write a detailed blog about this topic in my hash node. So you can also follow this blog as well. I will give the link in description. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that it will benefit you and you will learn how to launch an instance in AWS and connect it by SSH client in your local computer. So thank you for watching.